change the serpentine belt. I got a new one, Daiko. The old one, after using that glue, let's see if I can flip it. After putting that glue, it kind of looks good, but I know that's not. And now also I just release the tensioner a little bit, just this guy here, and so I should be able to slide that out. Let's try. So what I'm going to do is I am getting from, not from the bottom, but I'm trying to slide that out of the tensioner. So the tensioner is here. This guy. So I'm trying to slide that to the side and see if I can take it. It actually, it's working, but I'm thinking if it's that hard, I don't want to do the same thing with the new one. Look at that. Oh yeah, came right out. So in here and out there. So let me take this out of here. I think it's gonna help a little bit, and there you go. Of course, I'll need to be a little more gentle with the new one. Where are you, pulley? It might be here somewhere. Stuck. That's a different one. So there you go. I just wonder, how am I gonna put the new one like that? Okay, I need to go under. Let's see if I can do this here. Oh, I see. See there? So, all right. There you go. I'm gonna pull from up there. And I'm gonna try to slide the new one down. There you go. If I can grab it. Yep. There you go. There, here, and then up here. There you go. Let's put this back in there so I have some space, and I need to do this here. See this? Done. And this here. Where are you? I just need to put behind this pulley. Yes, that was quite easy. Alright, seems to be a little bit bigger than the other one. So now I'm going to tighten this screw here, which is gonna pull this back there. I have a good amount tied already, so if you look at this here, you can see, oh man, I can't reach and hold the camera. You can see that it twists over 90 degrees, so I need to do enough that it doesn't go over this here. Alright, so I did enough. I hope you can see here. Hang on, it's kinda hard. There you go. I can't twist more than that. Let me see if I can focus. Yeah, I can't twist more than that. That's pretty much what I can do. So I'm gonna run the car and see if it does, if it makes any noise or how it goes. But this is the bottom. I'm from underneath car. In here I can see through my wheels, and you can see the belt down there. Also from up here, but this doesn't quite matter because you can't twist here. You gotta be from the longer side. And now the only thing missing is I need to tighten the actual pulley. See the pulley down there? Let's see if I can. There you go. So there's one bolt that fixes the tension, and one bolt that ties it in into the thing. So I'm just gonna, this one gotta be very, very, very tight. There's no much room. But yeah, looks pretty. And this is where what was here before. So you can see it's not bad. It doesn't look bad to me. I don't know. It doesn't see. I don't see any cracks. Definitely the other one feels. It is larger, I think, but the tensioner took care of it. Inside, yeah, it's a little screwed in here. Look, but I mean, I don't know if this would cause any issue to happen. I think it was more like I tightened it up and I didn't move the pulley. I kind of forgot the pulley had a screw too, so I was twisting it to tension more, and it was tensioning, but I didn't untie the actual pulley and tied it again. So let's see how it goes. There you go. So that noise is not quite there. The noise that's happening, I think, is because of the bar I installed. Remember I showed you it had there was a long bar and some pipes, and those pipes were in different position. And hang on, let me get out of here. Oh, no smoke. So, and the position of those pipes, and now here we don't have the noise, but we have the swimming pool noise. It was in the wrong position, and I forced them in. So now I think they are hitting the metal, hitting the chassis of the car. And so yeah, I might need to put some in there, something to stop the noise. All right, feels awesome, and it looks like that the noise is gone. I can't hear anymore. Yeah, this is awesome. Oh man. So changing this actually was pretty easy, and I have tools on the back. Yes, sir. Oh. It's awesome. Wow. I don't know why, but it feels better. Don't understand. Let me move this a little. Yeah. That. Yeah. Yeah, I got the grip here. I don't know. Should we get some highway? Yeah. I think now, next step. I think my next video, I'll cover some of the. There's some spots with missing paint. I think it got scratched big time, and you gotta get painted. I'm going to do a touch up with the pan I bought. See if I can sand a little bit, and then put a clear coat. Sand it again and buff it up. See if it gets normal. But I want to wrap the car. Not sure which color yet. Maybe blue, green. I've been doing. I never had a blue car. I had a green. I had gray. This is white. So why not blue? Bluey. I saw this chrome blue. It's a long name. Satin chrome blue. All right, just stop here at Petco, and I'm coming back to the car, just so you guys have a little entertainment. There you go. That's what it does. And then you run the car, and the thing stops. Something with this alarm is not working properly, and I don't know why. I don't know what else. All right. Okay, that's too far. Too far. I got it. All right. Let's go with my beauty. Just need to check now why this is. It's like the idle is like almost at 2,000 RPM. Ready? much. I can see the turbo doing good here, but I don't think this will be as fast as the G37 or I don't know, I might be wrong. Let's see how it goes. Just need to settle down in Spokane, then I'll install a turbo on this engine and let's see how it goes, because I don't think this engine is gonna hold very well.
You can do it, and you will get there. You can do it.